Hello and welcome to the HardReset YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to enable JavaScript in Google Chrome. So first, open your Google Chrome browser. Great. Now, move your cursor to the top right corner and click on these three dots. Now choose Settings. Fantastic. Now, from the panel on the left, choose Privacy and Security. And now, click on Site Settings. Scroll all the way down and find JavaScript, and click on it. You can enable JavaScript by toggling the switch on and off. So now you know how to enable JavaScript in Chrome. Thank you so much for watching, please like and subscribe, and have a great day.